Now that you have your clean celery and you have your stalks cut, julienne them using a Puntarelle tool, or you can cut them into little sticks using a knife. Make sure that you rinse them well in cold water and then let them sit while you prepare the sauce. You'll need a clove of garlic, a lemon, anchovies that come in salt and oil, and a bit of olive oil. We start by finely dicing the garlic so that you'll have small pieces that you can easily crush in your mortar with your pestle. The smaller the pieces, the easier it will be to crush them, and it'll be easier for the acid of the lemon juice to soften them, making the job so much easier. You can either start using your pestle right away, or you can add a little bit of salt, which will give you a little bit of extra leverage for making your garlic mush. Here I'm using only half a lemon because we're not making a huge amount of sauce. You can choose any way you'd like to get the lemon juice ready. Either a tool like this would allow you to separate the pits from the juice, or you can squeeze it upside down in your hand, making sure you collect any pits so they don't make it into your crushed garlic. If you let it sit for a little while, the acid of the lemon juice will really help to soften up the garlic. I recommend 3 to 5 anchovies for this particular batch, but as you can tell, I love anchovies, and I'm using quite a few more. You can even start by pre-cutting your anchovies into smaller bits before you go to using your pestle to make a crushed sauce with your garlic and lemon. It would save you a little time. Keep going until you get this nice amalgamated sauce going, and add the amount of olive oil that you think you'll need. Start small. You can always add a bit more olive oil later. You wouldn't want it to be too oily from the beginning. Now that you have your celery ready and it's been spun dried, you'll see that it's nice and crunchy and ready to do its really good imitation of puntarelle. This is where you're going to take the dressing and, of course, dress your salad. Make sure that you get it evenly spread throughout your fintarelle, and make sure you get all the little good bits out. You wouldn't want to waste any of it. Be sure to toss well, and you can either serve immediately when it's nice and crunchy and fresh, or you can let it sit up to 20 minutes so that it wilts a little and really soaks up all the flavor of that anchovy dressing. Buon appetito!